How to download and install apps on Google TV on Smart TV. So in this case, I'll show you how to download and install applications that you want to use on your Smart TV using this tutorial. Now from in there, any Google TV or Smart TV should have a Google Play or Play Store icon for the app. So you just need to open that particular Play Store and make sure that you're on the TV interface. Now, from in there, you can see in here the featured applications, games that you can find on your supported device. You can just click on the search icon right here and search in here for your desired app. For example, search for YouTube and you can click onto this install option right here in order to install it into your TV. Now you can also search for a lot more applications like VLC if it have it supported right there. Just head over and click on install and you should be able to have it installed and you can just open it once it's done. So that's how you download and install apps on Google TV on Smart TV. I hope this video helped you and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.